Hi, how's it going? Welcome to Code with Z. In today's video, we gotta buy low and sell high. Why? Well, because that's what LeetCode 121, best time to buy and sell a stock, is asking us to do. As you can see, it says you're given an array called prices. As you can see, this array that we have here, and it says where prices at the index of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. So for example, simply put, if we have 7 here, that means if we buy a stock on the first day, that's gonna cost us 7. Or like if we buy a stock on the third day, that's gonna cost us 5. Simple as that. And then it says you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. So you basically need to buy low and sell high. And then it says return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So you basically have to buy on a day that's really cheap and sell on a day that's really expensive. And this is how we maximize our profit. Okay, let's see how we can approach this. First of all, let's make this a little bit smaller here. Now, because we need to find the maximum profit, and the maximum profit is directly linked to the minimum price, meaning when we buy it actually. Because of that, we're gonna have two variables. The first one is gonna be min price, that's gonna be equal to a large number like infinity, for example, or like 10 million. And then we're gonna update this to find the minimum price that we can have inside of this array that we have here. And our last variable is gonna be max profit, and in the beginning it's gonna be 0, because as we saw, it said that if we can't make any profit, we gotta return 0. Okay, now that we have our two variables, our approach is gonna be that we're gonna be basically looping through this array that we have here, obviously, so we can actually access the values that we have here. So we're gonna loop through each price, and we're gonna say, if the current price that we're currently looping through is less than the minimum price, update the minimum price to be the current price. So for example, if we loop through this and we reach 7 is going to be smaller than our infinity number, so min price is going to be 7. And later on, for example, if we keep on looping, when we reach 1 is going to be smaller than 7, so we're going to update min price from 7 to 1, like so. And if this was not the case, we're going to say otherwise, subtract min price from the current price and update max profit if the result is larger, meaning we're going to check if we can actually make a great profit if we sell at the current price. And we're going to update our max profit if the result is larger. Don't worry, I'm going to visualize all of this in literally 10 seconds. And then at the end, after our loop, we're going to return the max profit. Now, let's see how this works. So when we loop through our array here, in the first round, we're going to be looping through the 7 that we have here, and we're going to check if the current price is less than min price. Well, it is. 7 is less than infinity, so we're going to update min price to be 7, like so. And then we're going to move on to the next round. In the next round, our number is going to be 1. And we're gonna check if the current price is less than min price. Well, 1 is smaller than 7, so yeah. So we're gonna update our min price like so. And then we're gonna move on to the next one. In the next round, our number is gonna be 5. And we're gonna check if the current price is less than min price. Well, 5 is not smaller than 1, so we're gonna check this one. We're gonna say otherwise, subtract min price from the current price. Well, current price is 5 and min price is 1. So 5 minus 1, that's gonna give us 4. And 4 is larger than 0 because previously we had 0, so 4 is larger than 0. Therefore, we're gonna keep it because as you can see, it says update max profit if the result is larger. Then we're gonna move on to the next round. In this round, we're gonna check if the current price is less than the min price. Well, 3 is not less than 1, so we're gonna ignore this if statement and we're gonna check this one. We're gonna check if we subtract min price from the current price, meaning 3 minus 1, that's gonna be equal to 2. Is it gonna be larger than our max profit? Well, no, because 2 is smaller than 4, so we're gonna keep max profit as it is, and we're gonna move on to the next round, like so. In this round, our number is 6, and we're gonna check if current price is less than min price. Well, 6 is not less than 1, so we're gonna ignore this if statement, and we're gonna check this one, and we're gonna be like, subtract min price from current price. Well, 6 minus 1, that's gonna give us 5, because we have 6 and 1. 6 minus 1, that's gonna give us 5, and 5 is indeed larger than the 4 that we had previously, so we're gonna keep it, and now max profit is equal to 5. Then we're gonna move on to the next round. In this round, our number is 4, and we're gonna be like, if the current price is less than the min price, well, is 4 less than 1? Nope. So we're gonna ignore this if statement entirely, and we're gonna check if we subtract the min price from the current price, meaning if we do 4 minus 1, that's gonna give us 3. Is that gonna be greater than 5? Nope, not really. Okay, so we're gonna ignore it, and that's gonna be it. We're gonna be done with our loop, and then at the end, we're gonna return our max profit, like so. Now, let's code this in the simplest way possible. Alrighty, let's code this together. So just like we saw on the slash, we're gonna first define our min price, and this is gonna be equal to infinity, like so, and then we're going to define our max profit, like so, and this is going to be equal to 0 in the beginning. Then we're going to loop through our prices. We're going to say for let current price of prices. This is going to give us each price that we have inside of our array. We're going to be like, if current price is smaller than min price, well, min price should be equal to current price, just like we saw in the slides. And we're going to say else if current price minus min price is greater than max profit. If that's the case, we want to update max profit to be equal to current price minus min price. Simple as that. Now let's return max profit at the end. That's going to be it, just like we saw in the slides. Now let's run it and see if we're going to get accepted. And yep, our tests got accepted. Let's submit it and see if we can actually pass all of the test cases. Drum roll, please. Just kidding. Let's see. Awesome. We got accepted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep on coding.